In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a notes database in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean, organized space for all your ideas. And a quick way to capture thoughts the moment they pop up. Start in the Notion sidebar and click the plus Add a Page button. Give your new page the title, Notes Database. Under the database options, choose Table to start from scratch. This creates a flexible structured table, where each row becomes its own note page. It's the perfect balance between simple note-taking and powerful organization. Every table needs useful properties, so let's set those up. The name column is your default title property. Use this as the headline for each note so it's easy to scan and search later. Next, add a tags property. Change its type to multi-select, so you can apply more than one category to a single note. Create tags like work, personal, or meeting. Tags make it effortless to group related notes, filter down to exactly what you need, and keep your database tidy as it grows. Add a created time property to track when each note was made. Notion will automatically fill this in when you add a new note, which is great for reviewing your writing by date or seeing how your ideas evolve over time. If you are working across multiple databases, create a relation property. Link it to an existing database such as projects. This allows you to connect notes directly to a project, giving you instant context and helping you keep everything aligned. Once set, each note can be associated with one or more items from that linked database. Now let's make your notes easier to browse with views. Click the plus icon next to the Table tab to add a new view. Choose List for a simple, streamlined look that focuses on titles and key properties, or pick Gallery for a more visual approach. When using Gallery, set the card preview to page content, so the card shows the first lines of your note. That way, you can quickly recognize what each note is about without opening it. Finally, add a quick capture button so you never lose a thought. On your dashboard page, type /button. Configure it to add page to and select your notes database. Then set it to open page so a blank note pops open immediately. With one click, you are writing, no hunting around required. That's it. You've built a clear, flexible notes database, complete with smart properties, helpful views, and a capture button that keeps your ideas flowing. Thanks for watching.